Hi, I'm Angie from AngieSouthernKitchen.com, and today we're going to learn how to make crunchy chocolate cookies. Everybody at my house loves these cookies, and I'm asked to make them for everything I go to. And they were one of my favorite cookies growing up because there was a bakery where I lived that made these cookies. Took me forever to get this recipe right. And we need 3 egg whites, we have 3 egg whites, and then we have our dry ingredients. And this is the way I do it because it works best if you weigh it. And it requires 13 ounces of powdered sugar and 1 ounce of Hershey's cocoa and 1/2 ounce of this dark cocoa. And I use Valrhona, but if you can't find it, Hershey's also has a dark chocolate, but it's still not this pretty. And I like the way that color. And I just take all my dry ingredients and just shake them up. You can just put them in the mixer. I sometimes even put them in a plastic baggie. This is a great way of mixing it all up. And then I have a teaspoon of salt. I'll put that in there too. It smells nice and chocolatey. And then I take it and put it in my mixer. Okay, we want to add our eggs. We want to start and just add 1 of the egg whites. It's kind of hard to add just 1, but I add just a little bit and mix it in a little bit. Makes a dust cloud. And we want to add our other egg white. After you've beat your cookies for 2 minutes after you've put all your egg whites in, then I like to scrape down the bowl. Make sure you've incorporated everything into the cookies. And then I like to add a teaspoon of vanilla paste. And then I fold in 9 ounces of chopped pecans. Then I take an 1/8 of a cup measuring spoon, and they make somewhat large cookies, but they're really good that way. And I put them on a parchment paper lined baking sheet. This is our chocolate crunchy cookies, and they are delicious. Again, I'm Angie, and you just learned how to make crunchy chocolate cookies.